Outbreak has been confirmed by El Paso County Public Health. Officials confirm that the notification went out to the parents of 7th grade students from Jenkins Middle School. That's the same middle school that had to abruptly close last week due to structural and safety concerns, sending students to Russell Middle School and Doherty High School. The number of cases has not been confirmed, but it is considered an outbreak when 2 or more individuals with the disease can be traced back to the same source. We're told the risk of exposure in this case is really low.